Hello friends, I'm here again. Hope you're all good. Thank you for your amazing support. Yes, I'll call it support. And friends, greenhouse symbolizes being closer to nature. So we have to all support our weavers. That is a moral responsibility, friends. Now let's start. Take a look at what I have got today for you. Okay, let me start. We start showing your greenhouse products, ma'am. This is the sari number 1, which is on our pure Dhonikhali cotton. This is number 1 sari. This costs 2600 Gujarati stitches. Very neatly done up. Rust color. This sari costs 2600. Here is number 2. Sari number 2. My Gujarati stitches are always in demand. A pure white one. Pure white Gujarati is only for 2400, please. 2400 on white. Samari cottons. Cheer up, friends, cheer up. 2400. Yeah, this one again. Number 3. Patented. This is Greenhouse Cosmos on checkered cotton, black and red checks, Dhonikhali cotton. Friends, you've asked for Cosmos flowers to show in my next episode. Number 3, 3400, please. So we have a different color in this. 3A. Same priced. Number 4. Peachish pink. 2900. All embroidered. Very nicely done. Number 29. 2900, please. Look at the sari. The sari is like this and it goes like this. This is on Resham Kota, friends. The sari is on Resham Kota. Number 5. 5 নম্বর শাড়িটা দেখুন, 2100 টাকা দাম। এগুলো কিন্তু মিক্স ম্যাচ করে করা হয়েছে, এগুলো অ্যাটাচ করা হয়েছে একটা বর্ডার, and then the same print, বর্ডারের সিমিলারিটি রেখে প্রিন্টটা দেয়া হয়েছে, and again this is on Dhonikhali cotton, and there's a blouse piece, batik blouse piece. এটাও batik cloth, handloom cloth. They're lightweight, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই পরে। This sari costs 2100 again. One more. Lot of demands of my cottons, so I'm keep showing cottons. দেখতে চান সবাই আমার। These are all specially designed to make you happy. এটাও দেখুন, এটাতেও একটা শিবরি ক্লথ বসানো হয়েছে। This is shibori, pinstriped. This is all block print. Pair it with a blouse. Very smart one. যখন তখন পরতে পারেন। Hey, my Parsi Jali. Parsi Jali is ever demanding. 3400 for number 7 of my episode 32. All showing greenhouse products. 3400 This is on Dhoni Khali cotton. This is not Resham Kota. This is on Dhoni Khali checks. Friends, this is my Poddolata. This is my Poddolata design. Again, very famous one. This is on half toshur, all Poddolata design. This is not procured from anywhere. This is all done by us from greenhouse. All our designs. 4,900 for half toshur. Let me open it out. This is like this. This is like this. The palla is like this. Look at the neatness of the sari. Magic in their hands, really. And the cut work. 3,900 for the cut work. Look at this is the cut work. 3,400 for the cut work. Cotton. Dhoni Khali cotton cut work. All foliage. Pata design kora hoyeche. Cut work e foliage. This is 3,400 dear. This is one of our famous ones. One of our famous ones, very famous. We do it on tussars also. Such intricate work. This is again a greenhouse product. Look at this. This is for 4,900 please. 4,900 please. And the tussars. Tussar is, oh, this is silk. Oh, we have done script on silk. Only for 3,900. We are giving 300 rupees off on this. This goes for 3,600. Very comfortable. 3,600. Grab friends. WhatsApp me. Share it with your friends. Number 12. Number 12, sari number 12. Greyish blue in color. Batik broad border. 4,200 for this piece. This is a Korean batik, a Korean tussar. Korean tussar for 4,200 only. This is a Korean tussar for 4,200 only. Korean tussar for 4,200. Screenshot and send me the pic. Take from the best of the ones. Number 13. Rabindrik batik. Look at this batik. This is on Vishnupur silk. 4,200. We are giving 300 rupees off on this. This goes like this. This is half and half, friends. Magnificent one. Number 14. এখন কিন্তু আমাদের for Kolkata viewers আমাদের 452B কেয়াতলা রোড is open for you. স্যানিটাইজ করে আমরা ঢোকাবো আপনাদের। ভেরি ফ্রেন্ডলি চ্যাটস। আসুন দেখে শাড়ি নিন। আমিও একটু কেয়ারফুল বেশি, তাই খুব আপনারা আরামসে আসতে পারেন, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই। Number 14. Number 14 is 4600. No discount on this saree. এটা দেখুন একটু birds দিয়ে nature related things which I've always been liking. Greenhouse symbolizes. This goes like this. Saree number 15. देखो नेटो very good silk, Bishnupur silk. They're 450 grams silk, very heavy quality silk. It's only for 4500. Number 15 is for 4500. Book fast, otherwise you'll be disappointed. Number 15, saree number 15. So breezy. This is not a very crude orange. It's a very mild. খুব সুন্দর রংটা বেরিয়েছে। Look at this saree. There's a beautiful palla. So this is number 16. 16 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন। These are all cosmos flowers embedded on this saree. এগুলো আমাদেরই ডিজাইন করা হয় গ্রিন হাউসে। গ্রিন হাউস কোনো জায়গা থেকে প্রকিওর করে এনে আমরা করি না। We do up our designs. 6800 only. Number 16. Number 16. Very good quality Bangalore silk. এটার ফলটা এরকম হবে। নাইস ওয়ান। এটা 6800। হ্যাঁ, দিস ইজ অন গাছি তসর। গাছি তসরে কাজ দেখো, জারি বর্ডার গাছি তসর। Parsi embroidery. Very vibrant red and yellow, very nice. Oh, let me show you properly. Look at this. Look at the saree. Look at the palla. Look at the palla. Oh, the saree is so beautiful. যখন এসেছে I was so happy to get it. It's full. একেবারে সম্পূর্ণ কাজ করা আছে and very good quality tussar. This is for 12,600. This is our number 18 signature of Greenhouse. This is carpet Parsi of Greenhouse. Oh, this is written 1200. This is 12,000, ma'am. 18 নম্বর শাড়ি on Kosha Toshur. Kosha Toshore, look at this work. Look at this. On peach color. Look at this side. Very smart. This is for 12,000. Number 19. Good quality at good price. Good quality at good price. Number 19 is going for only 11,000. This is our Poddolata design. Very subtle green. Look at the craftsmanship. Hats off. অদ্ভুত কাজ। Magical. Identify your sari and send me a screenshot. WhatsApp dear, share as much as you possible. It will again support us. Number 20. Sari number 20. This is again on Kosha Toshor. This is called Pitai Zari work. Vermilion red. Khub sundor lalta. This is only for 10,600. So gorgeous. This is 10,600. Very heavy quality, good quality. This is all greenhouse product. Number 21. Oh, the color. And this font fondly loved by everybody. This is Parsi Jali work. Parsi Jali work on our Kosha Toshor. Parsi Jali ta, let me show you properly. This is all Jali work. Greenhouse designs 12,000. 12,000. All throughout. And the drape though, I'm sure you must be aware of our drapes. They are very beautiful ones. Draped out to dekhiye di. The drapes are very comfortable drapes. Just like this. This is for 12,000 dear. This is from a very good artisan. This is from a very good artisan. This is on Gachi Toshor. Number 22. 6,500. Number 22 of 32nd episode. All lotus around on batik. Gachi Toshor. Gachi Tasare batik. Buddha. Yeah, this is a very sweet one. Made tortoise. All over batik. Crack batik. This is a beige color. See for yourself. 8,200. Very good quality. They're very good. It's worth the price. 8,200. Let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse is interesting. Look at the blouse section. This is for 8,200. Kalamkari. Zari border tassa. This is for 9,800. 9,800. Done by Bengal artisans. 9,800. All over. This is all over. It's like this. It's a color bar on the aanchal. And the last one, Gicha Tussar. Azrak on Gicha Tussar. Look at this. 6,900 for this piece. Very good quality gicha. It's very soft, nice gicha tussar. 6,900. Look at the sari. And the blouse to pair with. That's all for you today. So you've energized me. I've come in front of you. So be safe. Until the next time.